In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this bibim guksu. First, cut about a half of a Korean pear. Peel it and cut it in thin strips. Cut some lettuce in bite-sized pieces. Now let's make the sauce. Start with 2 tablespoons of gochujang. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add around 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Lastly, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. This is optional, but I cut up the short and ugly bits of the Korean pear and added the minced pear to the sauce. Keep the sauce and the pear in the fridge. You're supposed to use thin root noodles, somen. But I couldn't get them, so I bought flat ramen noodles. I cooked the noodles following the instructions on the packaging. Drain the noodles. Rinse the noodles with ice-cold water. Serve the noodles in a deep bowl with the lettuce and a handful of arugula. Place the thinly cut Korean pear on top. Add the amount of spicy sauce that you can handle. Place half a boiled egg on top.